In this video we'll learn to detect player collision. Let's get started. I'm using this scene from our previous video as an example. As you can see, if I hit play, the player collides but nothing happens. Let's fix this. Open up the player script. Here, we'll use the onCollisionEnter method, provided by Unity, and we'll name the collision as collision_info. In the method, we'll detect if the player collided with any game object that has the tag obstacle. Now go to Unity, select all your obstacles, go to Tag, then click on Add Tag, and create the tag obstacle. The spelling should be same as we wrote in the script. Click on Save, then again select all your obstacles, go to Tag, and select the tag that we just created. Now, let's make a game over panel quickly. Now in the script, we'll declare our panel as a game object, and we'll enable it when the player collides. We'll also disable the panel when the game starts. Now in Unity, drag and drop the panel in the script. Let's disable the panel and enable the main menu. It'll work fine, but there'll still be a problem. We can still move even after colliding with the obstacle. Again, to fix this, we'll declare our player as a game object in the script, and we'll disable it when it collides. Now in Unity, drag and drop the player in the script. And now if I hit play, it's working perfectly fine.
Muchas gracias, afición. Este para vosotros.